What's going on, guys? So I dropped my sister off at this place. Now what I'm going to do, and then now I'm wide awake because this is not early anymore. Well, it's still early. Anyways, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is probably run by AutoZone and grab. I'm gonna get some Headlight Restoral. Like my headlights are kind of like horrible. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it just bothered me because it has a little haze to it. So I'm gonna work on getting that clean today. So I really hope y'all enjoy this. All right, stay tuned. We'll be back. What's going on, everybody? So I actually went ahead and got the product, and the product I actually got will be this one right here. I'm really love Turtle Wax. I love their brand. The brand's awesome. So I'm gonna try this and restore some headlights. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. As you see, it has somewhat of a haze, right, especially right on the top. It looks really bad. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the tape part. Usually, you know, for some people want to go ahead and tape it all against this line so you won't get on your paint, but I'm not really concerned about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Get as much as I can. And then use the other side to dry it up. Alright, so it says actually apply a little bit on here. I don't know if I should put it on here or here, but it says to apply it on a microfiber towel. Oops, I gotta take this lid off so I can get this. I'm gonna put this down and take this lid right off. Once that's done, it says use this and apply lubricant spray. This spot right here. Apply it towards the back. Alright, now apply this sealant wipe onto the lens. And it looks a lot better. Alright, you can actually see a huge difference in the lighting. It looks way better. And all we're gonna do is repeat the process for the next side. As you can see, this side is not, it's looking bad, so get that side all cleared up as well. And there you have it, nice and clear, a lot better. You don't see any of the haze. I should let it air dry for a good minute, and still nothing. And this side is still looking good, the first one, so yeah, looks way better. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, again, Turtle Wax is a good product. I'm not sponsoring them, but they're a good product. I use it to wax my own cars as well. Having speech problems, been on all day. So alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you hit that, smack that like button below, leave a comment, and again, thanks for watching guys. Until next time, take care.